It's always the ladies complaining about their partners for loud snoring or having sleep apnea. But do ladies have as well sleep apnea? And why is it more common then in men?
It's much more common in men during lifetime. And as the man grows older, it gets worse. However, in women, there are actually different problems that occur. And from menopause on, it becomes equal between men and women.
Oh.
Okay, I'll explain why. During in an early age in women, it's very common, especially in women that have polycystic ovarian syndrome, where there are hormonal changes in their body, and also during pregnancy. So snoring and sleep apnea might be present in those two conditions.